There's so many beautiful things that we can take away from the Old Testament that can definitely be applied to our Christian walk today. We read through the book of Kings. There are a few instances where we read kings doing right in the sight of the Lord. And as a result of them doing right, idols were destroyed and the law of God is restored in land for a certain amount of time. So here's a thought that I had. Just bear with me. You ever want to know if you're doing right in the eyes of the Lord? Inspect your life and truly ask and answer, does God have the final say in your life? Are there idols or things that you're holding above God, in place of God, worshiping and attending to more than God, that is actually taking you away from God, not bringing you closer? Are you giving him final say in your life through his word? Is his word law in your life? Do you value what God has to say to the highest extent, that being priority in your life? And if you aren't doing these things, and you choose from this day forward to put God first in your life in all things, in every area of your life, demoting what you've placed in God's positioning and allowing his word and his presence to reign over your life, by destroying and ridding of those idols in your life, you would then be doing right in the eyes of the Lord. Just an interesting thought. And as always, go with God.